That's right. Tonight, a new report may bring you some hope that the Federal Reserve's higher interest rates, well, they might be working. However, core inflation remained especially tricky last month. As we know, those rent prices, they continue to surge.
Inflation eased up a little last month as the consumer price index for April rose at the expected 0.4% pace. Core inflation, excluding food and energy, rose 5.5% as expected. That is a slight improvement from the March reading. Now, for some welcome news for consumers, the cost of groceries fell in April, although food is still far more expensive than it was a year ago. Prices for groceries actually declined 0.2% as meat, dairy, eggs, fruit, and vegetables all cost less than they did earlier this year. Housing saw the largest increase, followed by used cars and gas. Car insurance rates and recreation also cost more last month. Economists say consumers are dealing with inflation by getting more choosy, although many have been continuing to spend money on travel. The Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates to push inflation toward its 2% target. The Fed indicated last week it might be done raising rates for now.
We're only going to get to 2% with the help of a recession, a deep drop by spending that prompts, price discounting and a dramatic slowing of wage growth. It's going to be painful to get there.
There will be one more CPI report and one more jobs report before the Fed officials meet again this upcoming June.
All right, so one last piece of advice. Wall Street Journal analysts say now is a good time to consider putting your money into a high-yield savings account. That's one thing that can help benefit a consumer during a time with such high interest rates. In studio, Elyse Chengery, Fox 4.